inspire, create, and learn. Welcome to our channel where we share an extraordinary journey of cultural diversity. Meet our family, myself, David, an enthusiastic explorer, the creative artist and awesome mother, Ting Ting, and our son, Superboy Zhu Lin, as we navigate parenting across continents and cultures. From celebrating holidays to ESL teaching topics and fostering child development, join us in nurturing Zhu Lin's multicultural identity through arts, crafts, and STEM projects. Together, let's create a world where every child is nurtured with love, curiosity, and the boundless magic of an inspired creative mind. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification button. For bonus content, find the link to our blog in the description below. With all that being said, let's get straight into today's adventure. Hello friends, welcome to Nebula Nest. Today I'm sharing a recent fun trip to the pharmacy that Zhu Lin and I had. How are things different where you live? Watch to the end and find out. First things first, a trip to the pharmacy is really quick and easy here. I do have a prescription for my heart medications, but have not shown it in years. I discovered it was much faster to point at what I need and tell them how many. Medications here come in boxes that consist of enough pills for 7 days, 14 days, or 28 days, depending on the manufacturer. I usually get enough for 2 weeks, but have been known to get a 3-month supply at one time. Once all the medication is in front of me, I check the box count for each medication and dosage level to ensure no mistakes were made. Today, Zhu Lin decided he wanted medicine as well and kept saying "Jega" over and over again while I was getting my medicine. Jega means this in Chinese. I sometimes call him the Jega monster. He is always wanting whatever he sees. Let's see what medicine he thinks he needs.
哪一个？
What do you want? Huh? Show us what you need. Now it's time to pay. It's pretty straightforward. She enters each item into the computer. Then I scan a QR code and pay with my smartphone. Of course, we have to check and see if I have spent enough money to get a giant bag of rice or a bottle of oil for free. Then we say our goodbyes. 再见 for now. See you again soon. Thanks for joining us. If you enjoyed today's content, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more. Be sure to check out our other videos for even more inspiration and entertainment. Remember to click the notification bell icon so you never miss an update. And for additional resources and bonus content, check out the link to our blog in the description below. Until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and never stop learning.